Today I want to go over with you what I have earned since getting monetized. On my solar channel, I was monetized a little over 2 months ago. So I got 2.5 months of statistics, and a lot of people are asking, what do you make when you get monetized? So I want to go over it. My results may not be the same as yours because obviously the amount of videos and the type of videos and that kind of stuff and the amount that they pay for each one. But since the curiosity is there, let me show you my 2.5 months, my first 2.5 months as a monetized partner with YouTube. Here we have the reporting page in the advanced mode under the YouTube Studio. And this matches what shows up in the app quite easily, but what you do have to do here is you have to set the actual report type to the kind that you want. So all I've done here is just pick the channel, pick the month that I want to report on, the content I want to see, and then pick it by views and matrix and make sure that I have estimated revenue in there. So my first month after being monetized, I made $120.02. Now, I was really kind of surprised to see how much it was because it was a combination of everything that came in here. And so I was very pleased to see that. And as you can see, some of my longer videos were some of my best performing videos. And so then I'm going to move on to July. That is July. I'm going to move to August. And I made a concerted effort once I was monetized to try to increase this revenue every month. So as you can see here, I did increase it to $132. $132 is only a $12 increase over it, but I figure if I increase a little bit every month, which is basically 10%, if I increase 10% every month, it's going to get rather large pretty quickly. So that is the first 2 months. Now, we are only on halfway through the month here in September, but I figured while in Rome, I might as well show you the whole enchilada. So here in September, we are at $67 already, and we are on track again to basically increase another probably 10% or so over the month before. And this has been a concerted effort of me putting out new content, making sure that I'm watching the statistics very closely. But the fact is that every one of us is different, and some of us get monetized very slow and have to use the full year. Keep in mind, my channel has only been around for about 4 months. And so I got monetized in about 3 of those months, and then the last 3 have just been pure growth on my part. That said, currently, if I look at the main dashboard, I am sitting at 12,925 subscribers, but I do grow at a rate of about 50 subscribers a day after that initial growth that I had, a huge spurt of growth that was ranging from about 150 to 200 subscribers a day. So I've been very fortunate. All of my members and subscribers, I thank you, and I hope this helps you.